When leaders in the print and scan industry came together to form the Mopria Alliance, they unleashed a universal technology and standards that changed, well, everything. With Mopria, the world is free to print and scan from Android devices whenever and wherever. Gone are the days of constantly installing software and multiple drivers when wanting to use a new printer or scanner. Now, you could simply connect, press print, and you're good to go. Your meeting notes, family photos, work files, and even your grandmother's cookie recipe are available to print or scan wherever you need. Mopria has expanded access to more users and devices worldwide. Mopria powers printing on Samsung Galaxy phones, provides an easily installable print app for Android devices, and plays a key role in developing the Android default print service, all allowing universal printing to more than 6,000 printer models. Printing with Windows also has never been easier. Mopria print technology is supported by Windows, so you can print immediately. And Mopria continues to create new ways to keep you productive. With Mopria Scan, you can scan directly to Android devices, organize and rename those files, and share them with other people. No need to worry about complicated setups and workflows. Today, Mopria allows you to print and scan to more than 120 million Mopria certified devices worldwide. Printing and scanning is more convenient than ever, at work, at home, and on the go. Mopria continues to grow and change with the needs of the world. Mopria technology is here to make what once seemed impossible, possible. Mopria. Print, scan, go. Learn more at www.mopria.org.